Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you 10 national flowers and their countries. This class will enhance your knowledge. Watch complete video. Let's go. National flower Jasmine. Country name Pakistan and Syria. National flower Jasmine. Country name Pakistan and Syria. National flower Sunflower. Country name Ukraine. National flower Sunflower. Country name Ukraine. National flower Lotus. Country name India. National flower Lotus. Country name India. National flower Protea. Country name South Africa. National flower Protea. Country name South Africa. National flower Black Orchid. Country name Belize. National flower Black Orchid. Country name Belize. National flower Camomile. Country name Russia. National flower Camomile. Country name Russia. National flower Rose. Country name Slovakia. National flower Rose. Country name Slovakia. National flower Red Carnation. Country name Spain. National flower Red Carnation. Country name Spain. National flower Linnea. Country name Sweden. National flower Linnea. Country name Sweden. National flower Lavender. Country name Portugal. National flower Lavender. Country name Portugal. Subscribe to 10S English Mentor and press the bell icon for more videos. Strengthen your English conversation.